Let me ask you something. The last time you stood up from your chair, did you push off with your hands? Or maybe you rocked forward once, twice before you could stand. You probably didn't think much about it. But what if that small moment was your body trying to warn you? Not loudly. Not painfully. Just quietly. And what if ignoring that quiet signal is exactly how most serious falls begin? I'm not talking to everyone right now, I'm talking to you. Yes, you, the one who still wants to stay independent, the one who doesn't want help getting out of a chair. The one who wants to keep walking into the grocery store without holding onto the cart for balance. There's a silent sign of weak legs that most people over 70 ignore. It's not dramatic. It doesn't send you to the hospital. It doesn't scream. It whispers. And that whisper sounds like this. I'm just getting older, but aging alone isn't the real problem. Let me tell you about Robert. Robert is 78, he lives alone in Ohio, still drives, still cooks, still proud of it. About a year ago, he noticed something small when he got out of his recliner. He needed to press down hard on the armrests. He laughed about it, old age, he told his daughter. Then he noticed stairs felt heavier, then he avoided carrying laundry up them, then he started holding the railing tighter, still no pain, just subtle weakness. One morning, he stood up too quickly. His legs didn't respond fast enough, he stumbled, he didn't fall that day, but 3 months later. He did, not because he was careless, not because the floor was wet, but because his legs had been weakening quietly for months. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Weak legs don't suddenly collapse, they slowly stop responding. And the first silent sign, needing momentum to stand. If you have to rock forward before you can rise, if you push hard with your arms, if you avoid low couches, that's not just aging, that's muscle loss. After 70, your body naturally loses muscle every year, especially in the thighs and hips. These are the muscles that help you stand, catch you when you trip, and stabilize you on uneven ground. When they weaken, your reaction time slows. And here's what's dangerous, you can feel fine and still be losing strength. Let me ask you another question. Right now, if no one was watching, could you stand up from your chair without using your hands? Go ahead, think about it. If the honest answer is no, your legs may be asking for help. But here's the good news. Weak does not mean doomed. Your body can rebuild strength even in your 80s. Yes, even now. But only if you stop ignoring the sign. Let's talk about something simple. No gym. No machines. No complicated routines. Just one small daily habit, the chair rise reset. Sit in a firm chair. Feet flat. Shoulders slightly forward. Now stand up slowly without using your hands. Then sit back down slowly. That's 1 repetition, do 5, rest, then 5 more. That small movement targets the exact muscles that keep you independent, your thighs, your hips, your balance stabilizers. You may feel shaky at first, that's not weakness failing, that's muscles waking up. Add one more simple habit, morning ankle pumps before you stand out of bed. Move your feet up and down 20 times. This improves circulation and activates lower leg muscles before you put weight on them. And one more thing, walk. But intentionally, not just casually around the house. Stand tall, take slightly longer steps. Engage your legs, even 5 focused minutes matters. Here's what most people misunderstand. Falls don't begin with tripping, they begin with hesitation. Hesitation in the legs, hesitation in reaction, hesitation when balance shifts. And hesitation grows when strength fades quietly. You don't need to be afraid, but you do need to be aware. The silent sign of weak legs isn't dramatic pain, it's subtle dependence. Using hands more, avoiding stairs, choosing chairs based on height. If that's happening to you, your body isn't betraying you, it's communicating, and the earlier you respond, the more independence you protect. Imagine 6 months from now, you stand up smoothly, you climb stairs with confidence, you walk without scanning for support. That doesn't require perfection, it requires consistency. 5 minutes a day, chair rises, ankle pumps, intentional walking. You are not told muscle responds to effort at any age. Robert started doing chair rises after his fall. Today, at 79, he stands without pushing off, not because he's lucky, because he stopped ignoring the whisper. So now I'll ask you again, when you stand up from your chair tonight, will you rock forward and say just aging, or will you recognize it as a sign worth strengthening? Your legs are your independence, protect them, start tomorrow morning. And if you want simple guidance like this, made specifically for someone like you, stay with me, because strong legs mean freedom, and freedom is worth 5 minutes a day.